Google launched its one of the most strongest AI image generation model, which is Nano Pro, and today I'll show you that by using this exact AI model, how I can automate all of my social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest by just using this n8n AI system. And to give the inputs, I'm using here a Google Sheet like this, and here you can see that in the place of content description, I only have to give the image description. So in this case, I'll just go with something like this: Donald Trump taking a selfie with Kim Jong-un and the Vladimir Putin is crying in the back. This only for the testing purposes, just to show you that this AI image generation model, which is the Nano Pro, don't have any restrictions to generate images. And then in the place of approve, I have to just go with something like go. Then this AI system will be activated, and here the AI system will be activated in every 5 hours. As you can see that obviously I can't wait here for 5 hours. For that, I'm going to manually activate this AI system, and to do that I just kind of like go with execute the workflow, and right now this AI system will come out with this exact image description, and then based on that it will generate the image by using Nano Pro. As you can see that it's generating, and then it will upload that to all of the social media platforms, and after that it will say this in this place status that it actually done its work. So we have to just wait in here for some seconds. As you can see that in front of you it's saying it's done, and also in here you can see that it's kind of like saying that it actually done its work, and it's also showing in here something like tick marks, so it's mean it actually done its work. And let me go to my Facebook for that, and here you can see in my Facebook page this is the generated image, and if I open that you can see the image quality is super good, and also it generated the caption you can see, which is really user friendly. And if I kind of like go to my Instagram, you can see here the same image but with different caption, which is for the Instagram. And if I kind of like go to my LinkedIn, again the same image but with different caption. And if I go to my Pinterest, you can see a pin in here, which is the same image in here but with a different caption, which is friendly for this exact platform. And if I go to my X or Twitter, you can see that there's the same post but with different caption, which is applicable for the X or Twitter. So that's how this AI system really works. And every time if I came here in here, for example, like if I 1000 posts description in here, so based on that every 5 hours or every 5 minutes, every 5 seconds, this AI system will be activated, and then this AI system will generate the image and it will upload that to all of the social media platforms. So that's how this AI system will really work. So right now I kind of like describe you that how I really made that. So basically I used n8n to build this AI system, and if you need the ready-made template you can actually get that inside the Hello AI community. I had given the link in the description, so when you join that inside the classroom section, you will actually get access to all of the things that I kind of like share in my YouTube channel, and you will actually get all of the AI agents, ready-made template, and also the guide, like what you have to do, build these AI systems. And for today's video, if you came here in the lesson number 66, if you open that, you'll get the documentation about the AI system, and also you get the Google Sheet. As you can see that, like the Google Sheet exactly I'm using in here, okay. And also you will get the ready-made template. You can see that download the n8n workflow. If you click that, you can download that, and after downloading, if you came here in the place of n8n, and then if you open a new work, and after that all I have to do is go in these 3 dots and then go with import from file, and you have to choose the workflow that you downloaded, in this case which is this one. And then this AI system you can see ready-made. So here you have to set up a little bit, and after that you are ready to go. Just watch the rest of the video and you can understand that why you have to do what. And while setuping, if you face any problem, you can ask the help inside the Hello AI community through this message option, so where me or my team members will help you to actually get rid of the problem and give you the set. So right now I'll kind of like show that how I made this AI system, and also how this AI system really works. So at first, as you can see that we're kind of like using a scheduler, and through the scheduler we're actually given a time, and based on the time this AI system will be activated, and also it can be activated through manually. And then I added and here I added some filters. If the approve column is go and also the status column is empty, then it will get that exact content description. So that's what happened in here, and after doing its work it will say the status is done. So in future it will not get this same content description again. Here you can see that I kind of like map the Google Sheet in here in the place of document, which is exactly this one. And after that I'm using a setup node, and in here I added the Kai AI API key. So to actually get the API key, all you have to do is you have to come in this website which is called Kai AI, and I had given the link in the description so that you can actually directly get access of this website. And at first you have to just create an account, and then you have to come here in the place of market, and then in the place of API key, all you have to do is you have to create the API key at first, then collect the API key, means copy the API key, then come here, and then in the place of value, all you have to do is paste your API key. So if you don't know why I'm using this API platform, basically we need to access the Nano Banana Pro through an third-party tool, and for that we're kind of like using this Kai AI. And yeah, this is not free, so before using that, make sure you kind of like go in the place of billing and you just add some credits in here. You can see they actually provide different kind of subscriptions, and for one image generation, but for like Nano Banana Pro, it will cost you 12 cents like this. And yeah, like the more you kind of like generate image, the more it will cost you. And after the setup node, we are using a STDB node, and in the place of STDB node, I added the Nano Banana Pro through the Kai AI. So if I open that, that's how it kind of like look like. And then in the place of JSON code, you can see that how we are giving or just giving the request, we're kind of like getting the access of the Nano Banana Pro. So yeah, that's the model we're using, which is exactly the Nano Banana Pro. And in the place of prompt, we're actually giving the prompt that we're getting from here. Also, you can kind of like change the aspect ratio if you want like 90:60 or like 9:16 or just 4:3, something like this. You can actually change that in the place of aspect ratio. And also you can change the resolution. You can go with 1K, 2K or 4K, which is the maximum. And yeah, that's how we kind of like giving the access. And after that, it kind of like, you know, with some time, and then it's actually giving us the final image, which is this one. And if I kind of like go with this URL, I can show you the exact image. And then we actually generate the captions for different social media platforms, because you understand that for different social media platforms you have to generate different captions, right? And for that I'm using an AI agent. And if I open that, it's like something look like this. I given the post description, and in the place of system message, I actually given the rules that what it have to do, and based on the rules it actually generated the captions, as you can see that. And here I added the open router so that I can actually get access to an AI model. So you can see that we are actually using the GPT 4.1 mini. And if you don't know how you can add that, it's very simple. All you have to do is you have to come in the place of open router. Obviously you have to just create an account, and then if you just come in the place of keys, and there you can actually get a API key. Just create a API key, and after that copy the API key, and then again come here, and then in the place of credential, just kind of like go with creating credential. In the place of API key, just paste the API key of your open router. And yeah, before just using this open router account, make sure you just kind of like add some credits in here so that like you can actually use that. After that, we are using a upload post node, and through this upload post node, we kind of like uploading our generated image to all of the social media platforms, like in Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, like all the social media platforms I showed you. So if you kind of like open that, that's how it's kind of like look like this. So I'd given this, you know, website link in the description, so like how you can actually get access to this node. So when you click in my given link, you will come here, and obviously you have to just sign up at first. And we kind of like using that so that we can upload our generated image to all the social media platforms. And at first you have to create an account, and after that you have to come in the place of users, and you have to add a user. So something like I just go with Zachariah, and then I just go with add the profile, and then you can see that a new profile has been added. And after that, what you have to do is you have to just, you know, add your social media platforms in here. Like if you want to just add Instagram, like click Instagram, the Instagram account will be added. If you want to add also the LinkedIn, so all the social media platforms you want to automate, here you have to add with this exact profile name. And after that, what you have to do is you have to just kind of like go here in the place of API keys, and then you have to collect the API key, and then come here, and then you have to give the credential. Just go with create new credential, and here in the place of API key, you have to actually paste the API key that you just collected. And here in the place of platform, you can customize that which social media platform you want to use or don't want to use. So for example, if you want to use Instagram, also add Instagram. If you want to use LinkedIn, also add LinkedIn. If you want to use Pinterest, also add Pinterest. And if you don't want to use Pinterest, like click the Pinterest remove icon, and it will be just deleted, something like this. So that's what we kind of like, you know, adding these things. And here you have to just kind of like give some stuffs. For example, like if you want to use the LinkedIn, you have to actually kind of like go with the LinkedIn personal profile. If you want to use the Facebook page name or ID, so here you have to select the Facebook page name, like in which exact Facebook page you want to automate, something like this. And yeah, these kind of things you have to just give, and then you're ready to go. And after uploading, the status will be saved as completed, which means that it actually done its work. And about the upload post which you're using to automate all of our social media platforms. It's not free. If you came here in the place of pricing, you can understand that how much it will cost you. They have different plans, so which plan is good for you, just go with that. And after that, we are using here an update row in a Google Sheet. So through that, we kind of like map the exact row number, and then in the place of status, we say that done will be shown after doing all of the things. So as you can see that in the place of status, it shows as done, and that's how we can understand that this content has been worked and also it uploaded to all of our social media platforms. So that's how this AI system really works, and you can actually get this AI system, as I said, you inside the Hello community. So if you join here, you will get access to all of my AI systems with this AI system. So yeah, all you have to do is you have to just download that and you have to just import that, and after that you have to just set up a little bit stuffs like the setup node, and also you have to just add the Google Sheet and then also the upload post. And if you don't even use the open router, you want to use something else, then you have to just use that exact AI model, then you're ready to go. While setuping, again, you face any problems, you can get the solution from here just using the chat option. You know, you can directly chat with me, something like this. So that's it. If you're new in this channel, make sure to give a like and subscribe, and let me know what your opinion really is. And yeah, that's it. Have a nice day, guys. See ya.